The best dog breeds for emotional support.
Emotional support animals provide their humans with therapeutic benefits, including anxiety relief and comfort in social settings, without any requisite training. While all dogs can offer support, certain breed traits make a dog more likely to excel in the role. They tend to be gentle, laid back, trainable, and sociable. Here are 10 breeds to consider if you're looking for an emotional support animal.
Tip.
To be considered a true emotional support animal, a dog must be authorized by a licensed health professional. It won't have the same rights as service dogs or therapy dogs, but it might allow a person to circumvent certain no-pet policies. Help this channel to grow up by clicking subscribe button and visit our website. And make sure to like our video.
American Staffordshire Terrier.
Pit bull type dogs have been misaligned for years, an unfortunate result of bad owners and bad PR. But these friendly, devoted canines are incredibly well suited to serve as emotional support animals. With the proper training and socialization, these dogs typically can get along with most people and in various situations.
Golden Retriever.
Golden Retrievers have long reigned as one of the most popular dog breeds in the US, both as emotional support animals and general family pets. Their patient demeanors and overt friendliness make them a good fit for people with health issues. And as an added bonus, they are highly trainable.
Labrador Retriever.
Search any list of the best emotional support, therapy, or service dogs, and you'll likely see Labrador Retrievers. Labs are gentle and friendly with a strong desire to please. They're good for people who need a companion out of their homes, as labs tend to be comfortable exploring the world.
Corgi.
Corgis are more than just a preferred breed of the Queen of England. These affectionate dogs are typically good with humans of all ages, and their intelligence makes them excel in training. But this breed does need lots of mental and physical exercise, so it's not right for every condition.
Yorkshire Terrier.
What Yorkies lack in size they make up for in confidence and affection. They expect lots of attention, but they give it back tenfold. They're easy to travel with, which is good for people who require their emotional support animal to accompany them on trips. And they tend to adapt well to change.
Irish Wolfhound.
Irish Wolfhounds are natural protectors. And their sensitive nature helps them tune into what their humans are feeling. But one factor to keep in mind is they have a relatively short lifespan, just 6 to 8 years, which can be difficult for those who rely on their emotional support animal.
Cavalier King Charles Spaniel.
The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is like a living stuffed animal. These dogs love to cuddle and typically have a friendly temperament. They're often referred to as the Comforter Spaniel. They're usually just as happy to cozy up with their favorite humans as they are to join them for a pleasant walk.
Chihuahua.
Chihuahuas run the spectrum of temperament. But with proper socialization at an early age, Chihuahuas can develop loving personalities that translate well into emotional support. Like Yorkies, they travel easily for on-the-go companionship. They don't require much exercise, but they're happy to keep their humans engaged with playtime and snuggles.
German Shepherd.
German Shepherds prefer to have a job, which is why they're often chosen as working dogs. Their intelligence and eagerness to please also make them strong contenders as emotional support animals. Most German Shepherds love to engage with their humans. And with sufficient training, they can become wonderful companions in public spaces.
Collie.
As herding dogs, Collies constantly check to ensure their flock, or family, is happy and secure. Most Collies are skilled at picking up cues from their humans that something isn't right, and they're quick to swoop in to provide comfort. They do need ample exercise, which means they're good at getting their humans up and out of the house.
Breeds to avoid.
While any individual dog, regardless of breed, can be the right fit to provide emotional support to a person, certain dog breeds are less likely to fit the role. For instance, while the Shar Pei is a loyal and protective dog, it doesn't tend to be very loving and cuddly. Likewise, the Kerry Blue Terrier, Pekingese, Shiba Inu, and several other breeds are quite independent and often don't need to share affection with their humans to be happy.